What is the value of x? Label points B, C, G, and E. Locate the center O and let R be the radius of the larger circumscribed semicircle. Also, let R be the radius of the second larger inscribed semicircle, with center, G, and Y be the radius of the smaller inscribed semicircle with center K. Let E be the center of the inscribed circle of radius, x. Join line O, E equals R minus x, which equals to 8 minus x. It implies that line G, O equals R minus small r, which equals to 3. Join line G, E. Line G, E equals the sum of R and x, which equals the sum of x and 5. Also, line K, O equals the sum of 2 and 3, which equals to 5. Also, join line E, K. Line E, K equals the sum of x and 3. Assign angle EG, K to be equals beta. From triangle EGO, use cosine rule. The square of line O equals the sum of the square of line G, E, and the square of line G, O minus the product of 2 and line G, E times line G, O times cosine beta. Substitute values and we have that. We have that the square of 8 minus x equals the sum of the square of x plus 5 and the square of 3 minus 2 times the product of x plus 5 and 3 times cosine beta. Make cosine beta the subject of the formula. We obtained an equation as shown on the screen. We call it equation 1. From triangle KGE, use cosine rule. The square of line E, K equals the sum of the square of line G, E, and the square of line G, K minus 2 times the product of line G, E, and line G, K times cosine beta. Substitute values and we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. Make cosine beta the subject of the formula. It implies that cosine beta equals the sum of the square of x plus 5 and the square of 8 minus the square of x plus 3, all divided by 2 times the product of 8 and x plus 5. We call it equation 2. Equate equation 1 and equation 2. We obtained a new equation in x as shown on the screen. Simplify the numerators and we have that 26 times x minus 30. All divided by 6 times x plus 5 equals 4 times x plus 80. All divided by 16 times x plus 5. Cross multiply and x plus 5 cancel out. Open brackets and we have that 416 times x minus 480 equals the sum of 24 times x and 480. Combine like terms. 416 times x minus 24 times x equals the sum of 480 and 480, which equals 960. Simplify and we have that 392 times x equals 960. Divide the equation by 392. Hence, x equals 960 divided by 392, which equals to 120 divided by 49 in units. Therefore, x equals 120 divided by 49 in units.